Yo, what is up? Today's trade recap for the 14th of September, and finally a W. I took two trades, one was a loss, one was a win, and in total I am up, well, I'm up like 7 something, 730, 7 something, so let's just say 700, so I'm up 700. And finally, today, a good day, man. Finally, bro. This whole week was just pure hell, bro. Pure hell, bro. So bad. Today is finally something good. So, yeah, let's break it down. Let's break it down. Oop. Let me. Shit. Alright, let's break it down. You can already see the executions, but let me break it down anyways, 'cause why not? So basically, going into the day, I was I was mixed bias, not gonna lie. I was just like expecting us to shit lower. It's just we've just been going down for the past like 2.5 weeks. So I was like, we probably will continue till these lows or like this low here. Maybe no, I don't know about those lows, but my bearish draw was taken, which was this low. So it was taken pre-market. So I was leaning a bit more bearish after this low got taken. This low got taken, put in an SMT, and then let's go in the 15 minute. Fuck. Alright. Oh, I skipped a bit too much. I just realized I skipped in 15 minute, not 5 minute chunks. But yeah, basically, we had this resweep off of market open. So market opens here. Market opens here. We have the manipulation lower. Here we sweep out. Well, we already had London low swept, but we just sweep this low, and then we see this candle come in. And after these two candles, I was initially gonna long here. I was like debating whether, but I just got like the past 2 days I tried the exact same trade and it failed both times. So I was like, oh shit. And my draws were too high. I mean, I could have targeted this 30-minute unfilled gap. There was like this 15 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute, like all of that, but ended up not taking it because I was just not that confident in this like reversal here. And then I was like, all right. So my next target was London high, which perfectly coincided with midnight open. Well, basically perfectly midnight open. Midnight open is right here. Wait, bang, and then bang. This is midnight open here. So it basically really nicely coincided with London high. And we had these highs here, which were also decent. I need to set like, not set keybinds, but let's just leave it like this. So basically what I waited for was the 10 a.m. manipulation, which actually, like, I actually thought that like 10 a.m. doesn't matter, we'll just keep ripping higher based on all this like really bearish price, I mean bullish move. Like we just inversed all the gaps like instantly with this like 200 point move, 300 point move. So I was bullish, wanted to see London high. On ES, same thing basically. So let's zoom in a bit. So I was waiting. What time is this? 9:58. So 10 a.m. opens. I'll show you on the 1 minute. 10 a.m. opens. Here we have a move lower. Tap into this 1 minute. Hold it, and then we have an inverse. And I was like in my head, alright, I'm taking the next inverse. So when this gap got inversed, I took my first trade, but I did take it with less size. I think my fill was like here. So my stop was here, my target was here. So this first trade didn't actually end up playing out. I thought it would, but what was actually good that it didn't play out, because I only entered with two micros here. No, wait, hold up. Two cons, I think, actually, 20 micros. So I get stopped out, and I was like, alright, I still want to see bullish. We now put in another high here, as you can see, which is just like, we're not realistically after this massive move up, 300 point, and then we just don't run any draws. Just didn't make sense. But then we have this move, which is just really good price action. On ES, we sweep this low. On NQ, we put an SMT. We also, I think it was on ES, we tapped the 5 minute. Yeah, tap the 5 minute on ES. Hold bullish. I think there was also, yeah, also holding this 1 hour inverse here, as you can see. And then when we got this candle, no, I think I entered. Yeah, I entered here. Once we got like this displacement, I entered. Let me remove that, but you can see the point. 1 hour inverse respected SMT. ES tapped into the 5 minute inverse gap. All that. And then my target was London high with midnight open, and I went break even. And not break even, this was my partials. Well, I was gonna take partials there, but I ended up just holding for this point because I was really confident in that draw. So actually played out like really good, I can't lie. Like this was prime entry here. We had a few resweeps, as you can see, but we ended up delivering to TP right there. This was the long, really nice long. I liked the trade a lot. So yeah, let's get out of replay, and then okay, and then reset. Bang. So as you can see, first trade here stopped out with 2 cons I entered here, because this wasn't as good of a setup as this was, and here I entered with 3. So my fill was 24,914. So it was, yeah, it was a bit lower. It was here. And my stop was at the SMT low and targeting London and midnight open. So yeah, pretty good trade. Very happy with it. And yeah, I'm up. Not up, I'm still down on the eval, but yeah, it is what it is. Alright guys, that was it. See ya.